Dude, it is so done.
Okay, so the other day I had the amazing opportunity to connect with a few people that wanted their Jeeps filmed from an FPV perspective. So we went up to Monte Cristo here in Utah and I chased them around while they drifted in the snow, and it was an amazing time. Cue the clip.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I cry for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I cry for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
So here's where things took a very unfortunate turn. I landed the drone in front of our car and we had headed home. We got home and realized that I didn't even have a drone anymore. We realized that we had left it at the top of the mountain. So we headed on back up there. I picked it up and it was crushed. Luckily, the memory card was still intact. On the way home, we did what everyone else would have done.
Can I get a 2 number 4 meals with a Coke? With a Coke?
Thank you so much for watching, and if you'll excuse me, I've got some mail to send to DJI and let them know that I ran over my FPV.